Alright everyone, in today's video I'll show you another way to unlock the pattern lock screen on your Samsung A54 if you've forgotten your pattern, PIN or any other password and can't remember it. Remove your SIM card, remove your memory card, because this procedure will erase everything stored in its memory. Soon I'll discuss how to unlock your Google account, email and password, but only if needed. In some cases you'll also need to connect a USB cable to your computer. But you don't need to download any programs, any files or anything like that. No files, nothing at all, so try it both with the cable and without the cable, whichever way works for you. Leave a comment letting me know, because that will help other people as well, okay? You should leave the device on this screen right here, then we're going to connect the cable. Press the minus button and the power button at the same time. When it restarts, release only the minus button and press the plus button. If the name appears, scroll up the screen, and if the name doesn't disappear, release the power button and keep holding the volume up button. This way it's easier for you. In recovery mode, I'll show you here to make it easier for you. Hold down the minus and power buttons until the device restarts, just like we mentioned at the beginning of the video. Let's wait a few more seconds. Keep holding. Then release the minus and press the plus as soon as it restarts. Now pay attention to the screen. You saw that the Samsung logo flashed briefly. Keep holding. Now yes, I released the power button and keep holding the volume up button here at the top. Now I release the power button and keep holding the volume up button here at the top until it enters recovery mode. This is recovery mode, you can disconnect the cable. This is recovery mode, you can disconnect the cable. Remember, this procedure also works for other Samsung models. Using the volume down button, go down until the option Wipe Data, Factory Reset, confirm using the power button. Just one click. On this next screen, click the power button once more. On this next screen, click the power button once more. Let's wait for this process to complete. Once here, confirm one more time. Your device is now unlocking and restoring to factory settings. It will return without any password or pattern. If you need to unlock your email or Google account, as mentioned, contact me to ask questions, clear doubts and check the unlock price. We can do this from anywhere. After restoration, if you need email unlock as stated, contact me for questions, doubts and pricing. Stay in touch. If this video helped and you can contribute to our channel, our Pix is in the description. Your help, support and gratitude are important, not the amount. I hope I helped you all. That was today's video. Thanks, take care and get in touch.